fun job to do before I start taking things apart. Or should I say I've already started to take things apart, but did a quick video just to show what I will be doing. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Oh.
So here I go, fitting the 170 kit. All plastics have to come off to get the engine out.
I know they do.
What talk to you?
Oh!
The help of my dad, helping me get the stuff off and all sorted.
Oh, you mean I'll do the work?
Most of it.
Yeah, I'll do the work. You the sports, don't worry.
Let's get the back light off. Let's get the shocks off. Then take the side plastics off to get to the engine bolt. Take the seat out. Then the engines just come out very easily. Hopefully. So yeah, well, I forgot to mention I have to take all the wire and loom out and such and disconnect a certain amount of things. And anyway, see you in the next one. Part 2. Seat taken out. All this has to come off, piston head.
We'll take that off as one unit though.
Yeah, we'll find this when we sort this. Man, that bag is filthy after going to the lakes. Brake calipers off. Next to come off is drain the water out of the radiator. Take the extending pipe off.
Do you think this is going to catch
So when pulling the engine out it doesn't snag. Next step, drain. Part 3 will be out tomorrow when we take out the engine. Ready for the piston head and stuff to come off. Fit the new piston. Which should be relatively easy. Shouldn't take too long. Anyway, come back for part 3 if you're interested. Part 3. Engine finally out. Pain in the ass thing to do.
And next time we'll leave the shocks on.
Frame resting on the floor with its frame struts. Like 2 of them there. Imagine if we were riding that low to the ground. Now here comes the fun part of taking the engine head apart. Top end off. Looking black as hell. And crusty.
A rich burn.
Time to take the circlip off. Piston head off. As long as it's not damaged inside where the bearings are, which seems to be smooth, then it's all good. Part 4 will be up tomorrow. Tomorrow evening. Stick around. Engine back in, mounts back in. Force Master 2 set up. And runs perfectly fine. Idles just under 2,000 after a little test run. Before the test run it was just idling around 1,000 and bogging down and cutting off. Give it a quick test run and it goes right back to just under 2,000. Show you it running. Put my phone down for a second. Take the side stand off. There you go. Green light, good to go. All fit. Bike's good to go. We'll have to see how it goes down the line. Did have a minor leak on the what I thought was the water pump, but it weren't. There was just a water pump pipe that I didn't set on properly with the clips. Push that back on, give it a little run again, and it seems to work fine. So I guess that's it.